Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about our good old friend Turbo. First and foremost, just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys from the Turbo community for showing so much love on these updates. Continue supporting and you will see continuous updates for Turbo that I bring you guys. Anyhow, if you're looking at Sunday today, of course, you're seeing quite a bit of red across the board for altcoins throughout the board. And I'm sure if you're looking at the price of Bitcoin right now, you're probably scratching your head confused as to why you're seeing coins down, because Bitcoin, as of recording this update, is actually sitting above $68,000. But we'll get into that, of course. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Looking at Turbo, it's down about 5.2% on the daily time frame, with the price currently sitting at 53.04. Still about 2 zeros in front of the price, also down about 3.4% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. Market cap, on the other hand, is below $400 million, currently sitting at $362.6 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $65.4 million. So first thing that I would like to obviously indicate is that the trading volume has decreased, as well as its market valuation, which again isn't really a shocker at this point. But let's continue to take a look at what's happening. Before I get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the overall meme coin market, $52.7 billion is the market valuation, and you could see this for yourself, guys. It's down about 4.7%. So pretty much everything over the last 24 hours is down except BOEM. BOEM is holding really good right now, but pretty much everything right now, whether you're looking at it over the last 7 days or if you're looking at the last 24 hours, everything seems to be down. So one thing we could take away from this is it's not just Turbo that's seeing a little bit of choppy levels recently. It's pretty much the entire meme coin market. But why is this happening? You might be wondering, why exactly is this happening? Because of course, if you're looking at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is sitting at $68,000. So one thing, the main catalyst is look at the dominance index. And again, if you do watch all my videos, you guys know that this has been shooting up like crazy. We're about to hit a new yearly high for Bitcoin dominance index. So we have seen some volatility within the price of Bitcoin. Obviously, Bitcoin was sitting at $67,000 a few hours back, and again, that does impact some of these altcoins. These small swings can impact altcoins, especially when you do see the dominance index continuing to go towards the upside. What is this indicating? This is indicating a lot of money is flowing into Bitcoin right now, because a lot of people are anticipating that BTC could see a move that a lot of people are waiting for towards the upside, especially above $70,000, which we almost retested yesterday after the Bitcoin conference where Donald Trump did speak. But anyhow, Bitcoin is looking great. And again, if we're able to close a daily candle, for BTC above $68,000, we could even have a really nice, week ahead of us, especially closing out the month of July. But now that we have all this cleared up, things do kind of make sense as to why you're seeing a little bit of lag across the board. And if you're looking at Turbo, you can see this for yourself. So Turbo is continuing to start retesting some lows that we haven't seen pretty much for the last few days. And you can see this for yourself. We're sitting at a very, very critical support for Turbo right now. And again, this support is extremely important. At one point, it was an all-time high just this May of 2024. And again, if this support does not hold, our retest down to 47.61 is a realistic target that we should be mentally prepared for if you do have Turbo in your portfolio, and that would be almost a 10% move towards the downside. And you guys are probably wondering, you probably are really confused. Why is Turbo not seeing these types of moves that we have seen back in May? Why is it so boring? Welcome to the cryptocurrency market, and especially welcome to the meme coin market. This is going to be a normal occurrence in the meme coin market, especially coins that don't have high market valuations. And Turbo by no means has a high market valuation, considering the market we're currently in. We're in a bull market. A lot of projects are flying off, so I wouldn't consider a $363.8 million market valuation to be a large market cap. So what am I trying to get at? I'm trying to get at is manipulation can occur on these coins very easily. I've been indicating this to you guys pretty much since we did see that breakout, and nothing is coming as a surprise to myself. So this is why you need to understand, that meme coins are not going to be performing exactly like, the big boys, when it comes to Cardano, when it comes to Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin. You can't compare these to those projects because those projects, have big market valuations. And on top of that, fundamentally, as well as, if you're looking at it from a utility side of things, they are much superior than meme coins. But that does not mean, Turbo cannot see, turbo mode come in again. That's definitely not what I'm trying to get at. If you're looking across the market, it's just not Turbo. It's everything that seems to be down right now, except a handful of coins here and there. But so far, we are being supported by some critical support levels. And now one thing I want you guys to understand is if Bitcoin sees a little bit of a rejection and does, potentially retest to even $66,000, the whales come out, shake out the weak hands, then, we could be in for a little bit of more pullback for Turbo. And again, guys, this is why you need to educate yourself. Meme coins, when market turns around, they outpace everything, right? And that's where people start getting super excited. Oh, meme coins are exploding. This is amazing. But at the same time, you need to think otherwise as well. When things kind of get a little bit choppy, in the grand scheme of things, guys, market is looking mega bullish if I were to tell you my honest opinion. But, meme coins, despite, bullish momentum across the board, you will still see sharp dips, and that's what you're looking at with Turbo. But just a quick reminder to any troll that's going to come out and say, Turbo hasn't gone up at all this year. From May 4th, we're not talking about last year, May 4th, we're talking about this year, May 4th. If you picked it up around that range, you're still up 749%. And even if you picked it up on the July 5th, when the entire market tumbled over, you're still up 71%, guys. 71%, not 10%, 71% in less than 1 month. And those are massive gains. And again, like I said, there's a chance, if the price of Bitcoin does see a little bit of a minor manipulation, because again, $70,000 is a psychological price point for Bitcoin. And, if we do see a little bit of more choppy levels and you don't want your profits being wiped out, then the best thing is, have some stop losses in place or lock those profits in. Simple as that. If you're going to keep thinking about, long projections, Turbo is going to go up to that price or that price, then, you're pretty much asking yourself to kind of get burnt out. It doesn't mean the price of Turbo won't go higher, but it also doesn't mean that, you might not see some flash pullbacks, which I'm sure you guys don't want happening with Turbo or any meme coin that you hold. So lock those profits in when you see them. Don't listen to any trolls saying don't lock in profits. Always lock in profits, and be cautious in the comments down below, guys. A lot of scammers out there. Spam comments are going crazy. It's so hard to keep track of these now. I delete them and literally 30 seconds later they're back. So simple. One thing I want to tell you guys is never send your crypto to anyone. I will never ask you guys to send me crypto. Anyone that's posing as me is all scammers. I will never ask you guys to send me crypto. Only way to communicate with me is through email, which is linked in the description box below. And any of these other spam comments to invest in this project, invest in that, all scams. Stay away from that stuff. And also never click on any links. And just in conclusion, never send your crypto to anyone. Simple as that. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.